All right, I want to say what's up. Welcome back to more God of War Ragnarok. Man, I gotta say right now that this game not only has exceeded all of my expectations, but it's just non-stop, and I love it. The story is so good. Anyways, love you all, best audience ever. If you want more of this game each and every day till we finish it, just destroy that like button. I love you all, and let's go ahead and get this.
Now we go right.
Wait, what? Why would that even be there? There we go.
Into a group of Hellwalkers. Let's get them.
Number 3!
A lot of long range stuff now. Like,
Whoa! What's that?
okay, buddy.
A revenant! I'll slow it down for you!
Careful, Loki! Yeah, I got this!
See what thing. Oh, there it is. Oh, watch out.
You want some of
Alright, I'm just gonna use this.
Whoa, you can turn into a wolf?
There we go.
Very creepy.
And this way's blocked too.
There has to be another way. Keep your eyes peeled.
Jump!
Down here, maybe.
Looks like there's more soundstone on the grate. You got it, sweet? Let's go. What's the mask say?
So, the mask's pull is a little weird with all these buildings in the way, but I think we're going the right way.
You think?
Do I have like a map for this area that's not... Okay, there it goes. Earlier we were just like in the mist or whatever. We didn't see anything.
Number 3!
I wanted to test that while like a little bit of cover. Looks like it still goes through, which is nice. What the? Oh.
Funky leaf!
It's like a batter up. Wait a minute, I almost missed it.
Wait, so this way?
Sure.
Are you messing with me? I need this to go well. I need my family to see what I can do.
I know. We both do.
We don't have Thor to throw us everywhere, so we'll have to just make do what we got.
Mask?
Looks like it's through here.
Let me get that for you. Okay, this thing is really fighting me. See anything in there?
There.
Nice. Whatever you shot crashed through the floor again. Let's head back and check it out. So, I talk about my mom a lot. What's your dad like?
He's intense. Like he's trying to force me into this mold. But I'm not sure that's me.
Oof. Well, I know exactly what that's like.
Thing is, I don't know what I want. I love that you do.
You'll figure it out.
Oh, looks like we're going up.
Whoa!
What the? Oh my god, it scared me.
Okay, that's a big one.
Fucking leaf!
More of them!
It was funny. Sometimes I'm trying to actually like parry at the right time. I think the attacks are just a little bit faster than I'm realizing. Oh, kind of an accident. I'll take it though. Oh man, this game is just. Every day I get to play this, it's like I'm just so happy. It's rare we get a game of this scale that's this good. Oh god. Got him.
Wow. The rush. Does it ever go away?
No, it doesn't.
Mom's gonna have a real tough time keeping me in Asgard after this.
I swear you get a lot more health as him than when you play as Kratos. It just feels that way, at least.
Which way?
The mask showed it was straight ahead earlier. But of course the way's blocked.
Maybe they're trying to keep people out. Or something in. I bet there's another way around. There always is.
Just looking on the sides and stuff. I don't see anything. Usually is where we like shoot through something. Or something can break. I see a chest over there. Hold on. Wait, is this an area down here? Looks like it is to the left right there. What about we climb up? Alright, she's just looking over this way. Yeah, like, if there wasn't a video game element to it, I would say just hop over this and hop down there, but...
Aha! I see more soundstone. You know what to do.
Oh. I would have... I've actually read about this on Twitter. People were complaining that the characters tell you what to do too soon. But I think you can adjust that. There's like an option for it.
So, how'd you know you wanted to be a Valkyrie?
I didn't always. After a bad fight with Mom, I snuck out and found them training. Somehow every movement they made had such purpose. Like they knew exactly where they needed to be. And in that moment...
looks like it's through here.
So training gave me...
Too heavy?
Shut up. Something's blocking it.
I'll take a look. But I want to hear the rest.
Deal. Oh, too heavy. Have you seen these arms?
Let's see.
They're not... hold on. Wrong thing. I guess either worked for that.
Not bad.
I know. As I was saying, seeing the Valkyries fight, oh, strength and style, no apologies, it gave me clarity. For the first time, I saw my path forward, clear as day.
I think it's cool we like helped her out and she didn't realize it. At least I don't think she did. So, last time we were playing as Atreus, we were with Thor, now we're with his daughter. So it's just like, we're getting like everybody's backstory and lore from just time with them, you know?
Too bad giants have to follow prophecy.
Who cares? Make your own path, just like we've been doing here.
That's a lot of hacksaw over here. Let's see. It's like target practice, essentially. That's so much. I'm not gonna do all this. I just was... It's just funny that that's all there. Look at that chest back there. What in the world? Can I go over there? Hold on. That's one of those good ones, too. Look at that. It's got a nice glow to it. All right, let's go. I'm being silly. All right, we're going through there.
Now
of course, I would have missed this. Hey, let's go.
Step aside, little man. This one's stuck too, but I feel it weakening. Maybe I should just shut up and concentrate.
I don't see. Hold on.
Give it a little more mustard.
Is there not something I can help her? Like, I'm looking around. I don't see anything. Oh, here we go.
Got it.
Sure looks like it.
Bring it on!
That's so much damage. Oh my god. I think the coolest part of her being by your side right now is she's a Valkyrie in training as well. And it's like, when you think about the Valkyries in the first game, I don't know. They're more of a mystery. And now we're seeing them like up close, you know?
Not bad. Guess we make a good team.
Yeah.
Where to now?
Looks like maybe there. No? Here it is.
Looks like it's through here, but it's blocked.
We got that right there. We also have this,
What
which...
if I move this? Aha! Can you get up there? See if you can find a way to cut the crate down on the other side. I'll wait here. I don't have a fancy way up like you do.
Got it. Ingrid, was I too rude about her grandfather? She should know the truth, right? Yeah, guess so.
Hey, you talking to me?
No. Just talking to Ingrid.
Okay. Well, I'm waiting. You did it!
Better get back.
Uh-oh. Wrath of the Wolf. Hold on. Hold on. What? So, I like this one. But this does more damage, looks like. And it's kind of the same type of thing. I would say this one might be the play. Although I really like this one. This one was just, it's too close range. It's like there's no in between. It's either like up close or long range. I wonder if this affects... Well, let's go ahead and get it. It's more damage, you know, so we'll just try it out for a bit. What in the world? Oh!
I got it!
Attaboy, Loki. Mess him up!
Alright, here it goes!
Jumper!
Oh, come on! Slow it down, hold on. Alright, here it goes! Got one.
Falco! Third for three!
That wasn't too bad.
All right, the path's open. Let's go.
Whoa, the mask is freaking out. We must be close.
So far, I haven't missed much, I don't feel like. Unless there's a raven around here, which I guess it wouldn't tell me. I don't see any stuff over here, no. Uh-oh, this feels dangerous. Hold on.
What was that?
Don't look at me. You're the one who's been here before.
It's probably nothing.
Doesn't sound like nothing.
Probably nothing, he says. I don't trust it.
Yep. We gotta get out of here.
Oh, the mask. We're so close. Besides, I don't think it's dangerous.
Are we looking at the same thing? Maybe. He's locked up for a good reason.
I can feel what he's feeling. It's a giant thing. Look, he just wants to be free. The peace must be behind him. Trust me.
All right. Let's start with the lock not near its teeth.
Alright, so when I was making thumbnails earlier on in the series, like in the part 20 or 30, I can't remember, I found an image of this. And I don't know what it was from. That's the only thing about doing what I do is it's like sometimes there's spoilers, but this is awesome.
Loki, what's going on? You panicking?
We're gonna save, if we can save him, hopefully we can. See like the stuff tying up.
There we go.
Heavy sleeper. Let's do the next.
Man, I just want to sit here for a minute, just appreciate the scale. That's a good nap, though, I'll say that. I do feel bad for, like, the paws and everything. All the fur's kind of gone, too. Alright, let's get the other one.
All right. There.
Looks like there was another one under his foot.
Man, around the neck, too. That's terrible.
Look out!
Welcome, mangy mutt.
Let's look in the chamber he was guarding.
So where did he go? Oh, wow.
A dead end? Please tell me it's down in the water or something.
There's... How? It's not responding anymore. This has never happened.
But you said trust you. And we let that thing loose. Grandfather's gonna kill me. We gotta get out of here. Come on.
I feel like we're gonna fight that thing now. Hopefully not. Hopefully it's a friendly ending, you know? Find a way back to Asgard. We will
Wait
try.
up.
Maybe we missed it. Maybe it's back here somewhere.
Through. It's gonna be okay.
How can you say that? I shouldn't have listened to you.
Look, if I made a mistake, I'll fix it. I can find the piece.
She gave up so quickly. It's like all friendly, get to know each other, all of a sudden it's like abandoned ship.
You absolute, unqualified moron! You know that thing tears holes between realms, right? Well, I suppose I should expect nothing less from half-breeds.
Don't call me a half...
I will call you whatever I like, Junior.
Leave him alone. It was a mistake.
No! The mistake was allowing you to think that you were ready. You helped him, didn't you? What side are you on anyway, Guppy?
Try me and find out.
Oh. And what are you going to do exactly? You see, everyone takes it easy on you because they are afraid of your father. I am not. That fat, drunken, utter piece of trash! Hey!
Again!
Yes, yes, the dumb does not fall far from the tree. Very well, then. Give me your best shot. You have a lot to learn, little girl. Starting with who your family is and who it is not.
Just wait until I'm a Valkyrie.
Oh. You really believed the Allfather would allow that to happen? Please do not let this little weasel feed your delusions any longer.
Enough!
So close.
Stop! He just wants to make you mad.
Yeah?
Well, it worked.
Well, you toddlers are boring. If you are finished throwing your little tantrum, we should go now. Because I cannot wait to watch you explain this mess to the Allfather. Oh, it's going to be glorious. Hugin! Damn, he's not here. Let's check his study. Oh, boy, is he going to lose it.
Father will have my back.
After the Allfather sent him away sulking with his tail between his legs? Doubtful. And you, Loki of the Jotnar. I am haunted by your incompetence. It keeps me up at night.
Whatever.
No, seriously, I find the hues and shades of your shortcomings almost moving. If we could only somehow harness your uselessness, we could fuel this entire city.
Fine. It's all on me. Just leave her out of it.
I don't need your help, Loki.
Sorry.
Save it for the Allfather.
I don't feel like he's going to be that mad, to be honest with
We
you.
have a lot to discuss.
Loki, I'll meet you in your room when I'm finished here. Shouldn't be long.
Okay.
My mission went quite well, Allfather. Secured the item we've discussed. The mask, on the other hand...
Thanks a lot.
Thrud,
I don't want to hear it. Everything was fine until you showed up.
I'll make it up to you. I swear.
Yeah, something tells me it's not going to be as bad as they're making it out to be. Because Odin seemed pretty chill with Atreus so far, you know? Alright, let's listen in.
What happened? She hates me, Thor. My little girl. You can't keep undermining me like that. Training her behind my back?
She's gonna do what she wants. Wouldn't you rather I at least help? Know where she's going, keep her safe?
No, I'd rather us be a team. I'd like you to back me up for once. You're ruining what little relationship I have left with her.
I'm doing the best I can to keep this family together.
If that were true, you'd stand up to your father for once in your life.
You're right.
Honey,
No. You're right. What kind of example am I setting? Seems the only thing I can do right these days is destroy everything around me.
we need you here. I need you. I can't do this by myself.
Man, he seems like to submit to her pretty easy. Like the way she was kind of talking to him, like standing up for himself, set an example for his daughter. I mean, that's like some real stuff, you know?